Trekking in February to me is like reading a new book. When you open up the pages and you take in that fragrance of that raw pages, I think that's what trekking in February for me would be. And I will tell you why. I would like to take you to Sandakphu Trek, where I've spent most of my trekking experience. And over there, imagine that you're waking up in the morning and the air is fresh and crisp, which happens post snow season, which usually ends till January in Sandakphu. So after that, in the February, the air is really light, fresh, crisp, and you're walking in the morning. And on the right hand side, the first rays of sunfall are falling on the sleeping Buddha. And all around you, there's an interesting contrast between the white of the residual snow that's all around you and the greenery of the forest that's there. So imagine that on the ground, there is all the white, and around you, there's the brown of the trees and the green leaves. And the air is fresh. You're walking through it and you're looking at the sleeping Buddha. That to me is almost like sitting on a nice winter afternoon on a terrace, soaking in the sun, reading a new book. That's to what me is trekking in February.